It's the 9th of September, the opening bell 2 hours before the US market opens. As it stands now, the US market futures are up the up. The US FANG is about 2.6% up, the NASDAQ 100 is about 1.8% up, and S&P 500 is almost 1% up, so the future is looking bright. So as reported from the closing bell yesterday, the inverted hammer is valid. There is a rebound up on the stocks, and there should be some breathing room for us investors, retail investors, thinking what we need to do. So number one, we need to be thinking about what we can take profit, because the turbulence is not over. It's no clear technical indication that we are on the rebounding up. And then two, we need to look elsewhere and not buy, but try to think about rebalancing our portfolio and also stock rotation, which I'll speak at the end later on this video. So the future is up, it's good, breathing room, don't celebrate too much yet, but think about your balancing of your portfolio. Okay, number two, I would like to speak about oil. Oil stocks. Oil stock dropped drastically yesterday, but it wasn't much on the radar due to the high sell-off for tech. But there's a reason for oil sell-off. Is it because the recovery of oil above 40 shouldn't be there? That's what you need to think about. Oil shouldn't be above 40 because there was no recovery, resurgence of second waves in developing world, and also the likes of India and South America still experiencing high COVID cases. So we're not clear over the water yet, and COVID cases are high, and oil. So should we be buying oil stocks? Personally, I will keep my hands away from oil. A lot of people who invested in oil are still waiting for recovery. There's no reason that we should go in deeper and oversaturate our portfolio. So stay away from oil for now and just focus on recovery stocks. And now three, recovery rotation stocks. There's a valid reason why the tech is selling off, because fund managers are looking to rotate the stocks back to recovery mode. When I say recovery, I'm not talking about airlines, I'm not talking about restaurants, I'm talking more about the big names that have survived this pandemic. The likes of McDonald's, the likes of Costco, the likes of Starbucks. Companies like industrial, like Boeing perhaps might be jumping up again. Gambling companies in the US and in Europe, we've got luxury stocks like the likes of Louis Vuitton, Ferrari. Things like stocks like this are going on a recovery because they've survived pandemic, and they might be coming back. And also the likes of Disney and other big names that you think about. So for the coming weekend, I shall be speaking about rotation recovery stocks for US, UK and Europe. So stay tuned on my channel. Remember to subscribe to get more information and think about the balance in your portfolio. It's all about the yin and yang to keep us invested long term. And finally, before I end this afternoon opening bell chat, please leave. I would pick three most liked comments today, and I will answer your question in the closing bell this evening. So leave 3 comments and like the one that you think that is more appropriate for me to answer, that you want to find out, and then I will answer your question back. So thank you very much for staying tuned with me on this lunchtime opening bell. I hope you like this video, and please do share so that you can get your other friends and family on your social media to know about my channel. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye.